Hey guys, if you're searching for the hairstyle to rock during quarantine, then this video is for you. Grab your favorite weave-on and keep watching. So, I went to Evernote before the lockdown and I said to myself, are you just going to be looking scruffy during social distancing? So, I picked up 2 packs of this weave-on because sis we're going to slay while stuck at home. As you guys know, I just texturized my natural hair, so I do not require styling gel to hold my hair. But sis, if you have natural hair, you will definitely need styling gel so your hair can be sleek AF. After packing, after sleeky, we want to make sure we mat the ends of our hair. And that's where the magic begins. Don't mind me, just trying to do the ASMR. You guys do not even understand my love for curly hair, but that's a story for another day. So you fold your hair track into 2 or 3 depending on your taste, but I folded mine into 3, and you take a piece of rubber band to secure the end of the track, because that's what we'll be using to hold the weave on to our natural hair. Am I making sense or nah? Okay, cool, moving on. When we have finally attached the weave-on to the ends of our hair, the folding begins, and we'll just keep folding till we get to the last fold of our track. I'm using Got2b spray to secure the end of this track, and also using a blow dryer to make sure of that. But then there are different ways to go about this. You can also take a piece of the weave-on, a piece of the hair, to just hold the hair together. You can do whatever you want, girl. You can just do you. So guys, you see, this is the easiest hairstyle in the history of hairstyles. You can tag me on the gram at Lorlla_icon if you recreate this look. I would really love to see your beautiful faces, your beautiful looks. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment, cause I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, and your comment would make my lockdown days. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.